Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server laptop or your computer. So for you to do that, you log on to your Discord account using your PC, your browser, then try and locate the server you want to delete. So before you delete the server, before you conclude to delete the server, make sure you're the owner of the server, then click on the server. Once you click on it, so right now this is the name of the server, which is coding and the editing. The server is not active, right? Just create the server. So once you open it, and you click on your name profile, click on this, then click on server settings. Once you click on the server settings, then scroll to the bottom, then you click on delete server. So you click right here, then you add the name of the server. So I'm just going to change this coding and okay, video in, video. So we hit on the delete server, and that's it. If that is helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.